Oh my God.
Cool. It's not opened. Is that worth money?
Yes.
Star Wars stuff?
Yes. All the seasons of Seinfeld on DVD. No one wanted to talk about the World Heavyweight Belt.
Well, it's real.
Empire Strikes Back. More Star Wars or Star Wars Episode 4. It's kind of cool.
That's super cool.
Yeah, a whole bunch of Star Wars stuff in there. Go check all that out.
Because this is all yours now, man.
Why take the garbage out to the trash can, Jerry, when you can literally just use a bedroom to put your garbage?
Yeah.
This is a cool prop. Look at that.
Wow.
That's a real sword. A lot of water here. Be careful.
See, the nice amenity about this place is you could be prepping for dinner. You got a lot going on. You got pasta on the stove. You got some chicken in the oven. The kids, they need something to do. You put them in the pool while you're prepping for dinner.
Indoor pool's like a major amenity.
Whew.
Wow.
Oh my God, Dan.
Look at this.
You gotta stop doing this to us.
This is a cool prop. Look at that.
Oh,
Jerry, check this out.
Oh, Jesus. Wow.
That's a real sword. Not real sharp. That's
Wow.
Taking that with you too, Dan?
this is coming home. Put this in my car as my
you
new
go.
weapon. I'm wearing rain boots. How do you even get these
all the
pools?
seasons of Seinfeld on DVD?
How do you get these pools of water out of here?
What was the thinking? Like, let's go set up a couple pools on the second floor. That's gonna solve the problem.
Yeah, right.
Probably the water's leaking on my TV. Or
Yeah, I guess you get to the point, and you're not really. I don't think this is as bad as Cambridge, though, huh?
No, it's more salvageable.
Yeah. But,
No one wanted to talk about the World Heavyweight Belt. Feel this. That's metal.
I didn't know what it was. Oh, wow, look at that. Jeez.
Well, it's real.
What does it say?
So you gotta see.
World Heavyweight Wrestling Champion. We got a champion here.
2 leather jackets hanging.
Genuine leather, too, man.
Oh!
Oh boy.
What's Dan gonna do back here?
Jeez. Oh, wow. Got puppy pads everywhere. I said a pet.
Whatever.
Or maybe that was trying to soak up the water from the roof. I don't know.
That's one strategy I hadn't thought about. We got another
Sports,
sword back there.
Yeah,
That-
lots of swords. Holy. This guy was into swords. You can't really get in there, but
No,
there's a bunch of little sports collectibles, like basketball players and stuff in there.
So we had 2 swords and you guys can't even do a sword fight for YouTube? Oh my
Kind
God.
of cool. It's not opened. Is that worth money?
Yes.
Star Wars stuff?
Yes.
Ooh. Ooh, these are cool. Star
Dude.
Wars. Empire Strikes Back. No, that's one of the original movies. More Star Wars or Star Wars Episode 4. It's kind of cool.
That's super cool.
When's it from? 2011. It's not like they're old, but if you like Star Wars,
Yeah.
there's a whole bunch of stuff in there.
Oh boy.
Wait, he had a whole bunch of Star Wars stuff in there. Go check all that out. Might be worth money.
Yeah, I know we're sending you home with a bunch of groceries.
And jewelry
The knife
and
sharpener.
personal cleaning products. What else we got? What do we got here?
This is a knife sharpener. You need to sharpen up those knives in the kitchen. This is a compact electric knife sharpener.
From
Still-
Smith's.
Still in the packet. Partially opened it, but I think this is good for you to take home.
All right, I'm gonna go into the Star Wars room. Do you want to peek in the Star Wars room first?
I don't think you're going to be able to get through that door. You can try, though.
Because this is all yours now, man.
Oh no, not good. So why take the garbage out to the trash can, Jerry, when you can literally just use a bedroom to put your garbage?
Yeah.
So take a look at that. They literally, Dave's like, the neighbor chucks all his garbage behind the house. Do you see that garbage?
There's 2 more swords in there.
I know.
Yeah, this guy had.
So this was my point. We're going to send Jerry home with the sword that Dan found, the sword in that bedroom. This fan, any fan that wants to, you can contact Jerry, reach out, just send him a message, and show up at his house, and he will give you these swords.
That's right, but you have to fight me for them. So you have to bring your own sword. We'll sword fight, and then that's how it'll be.
Oh,
Jack, your dinner does not smell good, Jerry.
oh my God.
Oh,
Jerry, it got me too.
Oh, gag?
Yeah, I don't. Hey, what's up though? Wet clothes.
Come on, Jerry, we got lots of goodies down here.
My feet are soaking wet now.
Yeah, I know. I was thinking that. Wish I'd put my. Things you got over here? Anything good? A little workstation here. Doesn't look like it. It's kind of a cool lamp, I guess.
It doesn't say Tiffany on it, does it?
Let's see. It was a cold winter, I'm gonna guess.
Jerry, how many times do I have to tell you? If you finish with a thing of, laundry soap, you walk it out to the recycling bin. You don't just throw it on the basement floor.
Oh, cleaned out. The basement's good. I mean, you gotta put a roof on it, but I mean, what are these doubles worth over here? Over 200.
Well, yeah, absolutely. Well, we just set a comp for 260, right?
I was gonna say, yeah, probably closer to 250. Yeah. So here you can get a little peek at that wall behind the paneling there. Looks like it's peeling a little bit. Oh, these are so wet. Those clothes, yuck.
I feel optimistic about this foundation.
Yeah.
I think they were just closing in this wall for aesthetics.
Yeah, I think so too. I mean, it felt pretty plumb up. I mean, aside from the buckling, right? Nothing was like real wonky.
All right, Jerry, I'm absolutely freezing to death.
There's some mold on the ceiling.
How much would you guess it is to clean out this whole place?
I
Like
was-
getting the guy with the junk truck and or whatever those junker guys or however you do it.
Is this worse than Springer?
Yeah.
It is.
Yeah, maybe equal.
I think it's like $4 or $5 grand.
Yeah.
And you should be able to do it less than $5 grand.
That's pretty good.
It'll make it a lot easier if the driveway's big enough to fit a 30-yard dumpster. If it's not, then it's going to take. It's going to be a little bit more logistics.
They'll clean this out in a day, though. Like in terms of time,
Oh yeah.
they're fast.
Really.
All right, hold your breath when you're coming to it.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Kitchen, I'm not ready for this. Whew. Yeah.
That is.
Oh, it's so nasty. Whew.
So I actually love these scrubbies. This is what we use in the house. So this segment on the second floor is brought to you by Scrub Daddy.
We're gonna need a lot of these.
Jerry, would
Yeah.
it be wrong for me to bring this home to wash the dishes tonight?
It might make your dishes dirtier.
Dirty.
I think there's
Agreed.
little goodies coming off of it. Yeah. All right, Jerry, we completed that. The house is locked up. Nobody will break in. You don't have to worry about any of those items that you need to take back in the car. So nobody will be stealing anything.
The valuables are secure.
Dan, do you want to admit on tape what you paid for this?
Eesh. We were, was it 60? 55 or 60?
We wanted it to be 55. We looked at this pretty close. Me and you spent a lot of time on the computer.
Yes.
We knew what's
Yes.
going on up the street because we've been here.
Yep.
I'm going to go on record that we can easily sell this for another $20,000 on top of what we paid.
At least.
I think we can go celebrate the tomahawk. Let's go have a tomahawk.
I like
We got
it.
20 grand coming in. That's in coming in, no problem, no
Yeah.
hassle, no headache. If we get lucky, I think we can even push more than. I think we can net out 25,000.
I would think at least. Yeah. It's nasty in there. But it's kind of, yeah, decent layout.
There's so many people in Buffalo that love
They love stuff
pulling
like
these
this.
houses from the dead, resurrecting
They
them.
love stuff like this. And a nice double 2-2, so 4-bed double with a driveway, garage, the whole ordeal for under 100,000.
If you fix this thing up the right way, I think you pull 280. 280 plus. If we pull 260 up street and that house is nothing.
Yeah, fixed up
overly
nice.
special.
Yeah, fixed up nice. Yeah. I've got a little PTSD from that walkthrough, but I guess I don't feel bad about the buy.
Good. I'll feel much better when that other $20,000 comes rolling in. Then I won't feel bad about the buy. I can already see our driveway's going to be a little bit narrow. That's going to be a problem with emptying, getting the dumpsters in here.
Definitely.
All right, guys, thanks for checking out our video. Hope you made it to the end. Please like and subscribe if you're so inclined. We appreciate it. If you need the swords, send Jerry a message. Show up at his house. He'll help you out. Until next time.